Meet Nico, a Sandstory weaver who turns shifting dunes into transient portraits with wind as his brush. He discovered it on a desert hike, spotting ripples that whispered stories and guiding them with a tiny rake. Years of patient practice followed, timing gusts and pauses while training his hands to coax order from loose grains. Locals gather to watch, mesmerized by impermanence, where science and art collide to reveal beauty in change. His message, persistence converts fleeting moments into lasting inspiration for anyone daring enough to create.